You need
I have TikTok.
You have TikTok?
No, don't
You have
have.
TikTok?
Yeah, but I don't like
My friend, you
TikTok.
need to put water this one first, boil first, then put the sauce.
TikTok
So that it will not hard the rice. Yeah. You don't know how to cook this?
I know. We used to get it.
Ano ba yan?
No, Salin.
She wants to make a video of.
Come here, bye, fly.
Remember,
Yeah.
when you go in
So that
somewhere.
tomorrow when you go, you have TikTok now.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Give me your name in TikTok. I cannot imagine. I want to take picture because in Dubai.
You want picture? Okay. Yeah. I take picture for you.
I want to remember these crazy moments. Oh my God! I have never had someone abusive like this in my
Oh, you
life.
want remembrance and to take picture? Here, this one.
You see someone abusing you like
Yeah.
you donkey, oh my God, names. Zombie God. Ramen.
Ramen. Oh, eat this one, my friend, no? Wait. I try how.
I will take to the next week now.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, no more. This is only for today.
Bakit? Tapos sa Ramadan?
You can't eat tomorrow?
I don't think.
Sira to. Yun. Mamadali yun. Walang mga bata doon. Tapos aalis pa siya. Alam nyo na yun. Huwag nyo nang ano yun.
Sinabi na ba? She told me there.
Minto.
I don't
Kami na po sa
she said
kasi.
European ladies coming.
When?
She called me and asked, where? I'm packing my bags.
She's calling you.
No. When
You stay here one
I go
month.
to the room, my apartment, I start packing my bag.
What is your name, Chappy?
Yeah, Tabi.
Tabi?
Yeah, Tabi. Tabi.
Tabi?
Tabi.
It's the AW.
You see, what?
Dari fire. You forgot dari fire. For the system.
Tubuton?
Tatawag yun
I
niya.
never make shisha.
Tatawag yun ni Micah. Tatawag naman sa cellphone niya yan.
Finish.
I don't
You finish it?
My friend, finish it.
Oh, she said, the food, she said I eat fast.
Huh?
But I'm eating.
She says it first.
Yeah. When I'm full, then it will be good because it will come like this and go back.
Better, no? You need to
Just
use tummy ball
imagine
first.
you sign contract and you reach here and you find that way. You will be crazy. Maybe you are pressure. You don't know anything because she said that. She said, I have a mate coming from Kenya. Oh God. But Kenyans will run away. Kenya will run away. She cannot stand this. You can die. Yeah. I do not even think there are some people who exist like that. But anyway, let me tell you. It won't go far. It won't go far.
That's it. Wait, that's it. Banat para pagpagalitan ka, busog ang tiyan. May milon pa doon din? May milon pa. Baka hanapin. Ay, busog na ako.
I want to enjoy this cake.
Enjoy the cake.
Yeah, I want to enjoy. Let me enjoy the cake. Tomorrow I start another day. I'm coming home.
I'm coming.
Why? I'm dying here.
It's
I'm
okay.
not hungry in this house.
Salam, salam, salam.
It's seafood I don't even enjoy.
You want this?
Two.
Take.
Two only.
Enjoy eating.
Hmm?
Enjoy. Tomorrow we will become strong.
Enjoy it. Then after that, if your madam get angry, your tummy full.
Yeah.
You smile because you're not hungry.
It's okay. It's okay.
People
Angry.
make noise.
You know, when there is another maid, seem like you, Madam will angry.
She did what?
Too much laughing.
And then
Then your madam get angry. If she too much angry, then the maid is laughing.
what happened?
Your madam is angry.
She annoying.
She make like that.
Yeah. She fired her or the who decided to go.
She always doing.
You know now when I go up and then she stayed there. Tapping. That Egyptian woman is a witch. I'm not myself. I am not like this. I'm feeling something I don't understand. That's why I make noise like that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Something is very wrong.
Yang auto.
I say, okay.
Tapos ito ha?
Huwag mong sabihin, baka sabihin, oh my God.
What about
Alam
you?
niya, ay siya naigaw naman.
This one, you want this?
No. What is that?
I don't know, what's that?
Cheese.
No. Cheese?
Yeah. Hello, mixes.
Enjoy cheese. You like cheese. That's why
Bakit
you told
mantika?
them.
Ah, yung maalat na cheese. So,
You told me I did not eat.
oh, so
I
salty.
You told me, she told me last night, I never saw you that you eat your food. I eat.
Wala. Today you try.
Natakot yan siya baka.
Today you try to eat.
Baka magduda siya, basta luto, di ka makaon niya. Lahat kumain.
You know, when you are
May-
cooking, Padi, you're feeling full because of the smell and the spices of your food.
Enjoy cake.
Yeah, enjoy eating cake.
Then, after eating,
Bigyan mo si gamay
May
si...
bumaba?
Hindi ba ako nag-ano to?
Bigyan mo gamay si Adol mo. Ayun na yan. Kasi,
yeah.
Lagay mo sa...
ano yung tatong mo?
Ito, ayaw mo ibigay niya.
Ay, ihapon mo na yan.
Ito ba?
Abot mo, kaya mo siya yan, anak.
Bulmisiri ba niya? Hindi mo na siyang tao. Hindi na, nagkaonan nila muna. Ayun. Ito. Uy, maano siya, ma'am. Kung daming asin yung bunga nga.
Baka tikim na ako.
Ito, ihatag mo ni.
Parang balik. Hindi na hanapin yan.
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Hindi mo.
Mahulog na ako si Party pa na
Yesterday, I left her in bed. She wake up to look for the food. She sleep thinking about the food. I wish I was her because this is the good moments for her. She just go out there with her grandchildren. She look at them when they are playing.
Yeah.
You baby, you eat, you clean. As long as I find my house clean, I
She's not
cannot
thinking
keep.
like that. No?
I cannot keep calling people and
Tigas ng mga.
making noise,
Lagi na.
making yourself.
Ano, may apakay na ako. Lagyan mo sa fridge.
A lot of new things in the house. She kept saying, I don't want to buy and leave this. I want to use.
Bilisan mo.
Pada yung cake pada ito.
Kaya lagay ito sa box. Tataba talaga kami sa Ramadan. Kasi yung mga tira kinain namin.
Guys, no? Cake siya. Si Ikuan.
Sana?
Lagay mo na sa foil.
Ito na lang. Di may way ko ang liban. Cheers. Ako wala.
Sa kanto na.
Enjoy eating cake ka lang.
Happy birthday.
Peace fasting.
Who is fasting?
Me.
You want to be
You
still?
try fasting? You try before fasting?
Me, I do fast.
I try before.
But you can't do in this house.
I try before and go it.
You will feeling ill if you hear.
No, in this crazy woman, you can't even fast.
If you didn't eat, you become crazy in your head.
And if I become crazy, I look at her, I open this one. Huh?
I do that. I'm not sure call the police for me. Because sometimes she's very angry. And
She told me why we got together that
Gilibak na yung amo.
the black cup. We did not experience it last night.
Oh, the last night?
The cup and you put no?
Yeah. In the,
There, I put in the table the cup, the saucer, the cup and the saucer. And the
For what? Cup for what?
for coffee and tea.
Oo, hindi na itong trabaho.
You put already?
Matapos talaga itong trabaho.
Oh.
Not up, the new one.
Matapos talaga itong ligpit.
Wait,
when do I
the
put?
food
I
will
don't
be
do anything. And I don't want to.
Ay, mag-work na kami, ay. What time now?
So to go and put in the wrong place instead of others because I put in the wrong place. Let them stay
Then
there.
she told me that I rub all the things.
Babay ka naman. Bukla ka lang.
Tapos na ba yan?
30 minutes na kasi. 12 minutes.
Flying kiss.
Si Babay.
Flying kiss. Oh, Miss Universe.
I'm very angry.
Oh, Miss
I'm
Universe.
very angry. I'm not like this. This house is making me like, oh my god. Wish I can have whiskey. Oh, look. I wish I can have whiskey and cream.
Bye-bye, mga lang.